our daily life, we drive our cars very safely, but still somehow we get scratches on our cars. In countries like Pakistan and India, this issue is very common. Removing these scratches by professionals can cost you around $150 to $300. I'm just talking about the light coat scratches here. Yes, you heard it right. $150 to $300. So today I've got a huge money saving solution for you to remove all these scratches. So watch the video till end to get to know how to remove these scratches at home.
In our daily life, how much we drive safely, but our car bumpers get scratches and become dull after some time. The bike or cycle passes from side to side and gives their love to you in the form of scratches. So today we will learn how to clean those scratches. As there are some scratches on the bumpers of this car, so we will try to remove scratches from the car through an interesting method. You can see some scratches on these parts of the car. Now to remove these scratches, we need a toothpaste. We will put toothpaste on scratches and then we will use a sponge. We won't use the rough side of the sponge, instead we will be using the soft side. Now we will start rubbing the sponge on the scratches and slowly the scratches will start to fade away. This foam is produced because we used little water to avoid dryness of the toothpaste. After rubbing it for a while, we'll wash it with some water and it will be cleaned. Then we will rub the car with a piece of soft cloth to get the final look. The scratches have been removed. Now we'll clean the side mirror. You can clearly see that there are so many visible scratches on it. Let's remove these. We drop some water on the side mirror and then put toothpaste on the sponge and started to rub it gently. And after a few minutes of rubbing, the results are incredible. Now for the final look, we again dropped some water on it and then cleaned it with a piece of cloth. We can see now it's clean and scratches are gone. We're repeating the same procedure on the back side of the car. You can clearly see that the paint is torn too from the car, but the scratch lines on the lower part will remove with the help of this method. We'll keep on rubbing until the scratch completely removes. See, it works very well. Now the front right corner of the car. It also has a lot of scratches, but thankfully we've got this magic formula that will remove these scratches. Wow, this side scratches are gone too. This method also helps to bring more shine to car and remove dullness. So we are using toothpaste on the headlights too, so its dullness will go away and will shine like a new one. You can clearly see the difference of before and after. This toothpaste magic works really well. So for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.